Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron graduation stole, only way. Place the stole face down on a towel and smooth wrinkles by hand. Set the iron to the lowest appropriate heat and turn off steam. Use a pressing cloth between the iron and stole to protect embroidery and tassels, and test a small inconspicuous area first to ensure no shine or damage. Begin at one end and gently press in short bursts, lifting rather than sliding when moving to new sections. This preserves fabric shape. Focus on flat areas first, then carefully press around embroidered motifs and lettering using the cloth as a barrier. Handle tassels separately by smoothing with your hand and avoiding direct heat. For stubborn creases, roll the stole on a tube and steam from a distance while the cloth protects fibers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with graduation planning and future budgeting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and use that to support the channel if you want. Now let's get back to the video. For tassels, gently untangle and hang them while you finish pressing the body of the stole, keeping heat away from the fibers. When dealing with embroidery, always use a pressing cloth and a low iron setting to maintain thread texture and color. If the stole has metallic threads or delicate embellishments, consider professional cleaning or spot pressing techniques to avoid irreversible damage and to keep your regalia looking crisp for the ceremony.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.